Hello everybody, it's me and Renee. Thank you for coming to my channel and watching. Today I'm going to be doing a closure install. I'm going to be bleaching the knots. Unfortunately, I don't have the footage of me plucking, but this is me about to mix my bleach. I am using 2.5 cups of bleach. I did realize I use a lot that I should have. Don't mind my face. I'm like, really? That's it? Out of this big tube? I thought there would be more bleach. But yes, 2.5 cups of bleach. And when I use the developer, the peroxide, I don't put too much. I use as I go. The outcome of the bleach, you want it to look like Cool Whip. The consistency of it. So I don't measure the developer. I just add as I go. Sour cream, whipped cream, and that's what we got. Okay, so now I am applying the bleach to the lace part of the wig. The technique I would like to use, and I don't know why I didn't use any of the brushes that came with the kit, the smaller brushes. I realized using the very tip of the brush, lathering the product on the lace was easier. Yes, so this is the first unit I am applying the bleach on, and then afterwards I do the second unit. Remember, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I am bleaching 2 units that I have, and both of them are closures. This is what I've had left after the 2 units I just bleached. And right now I am rinsing it off. I let the bleach sit for 28 minutes. 28 minutes is just enough time. So this is after the 28 minutes. I am rinsing out the lace. Okay, now I am shampooing and conditioning the knots. I just want to let you know that it would be best if you shampooed with a purple shampoo after bleaching, but unfortunately I did not have any. Yes, this is the final outcome of the bleached knots of my 2 units. I could have done more plucking, but I'm really happy with the outcome. Okay, so we're finally at the part where I'm putting the wig on. But before I do so, I am going to be cleaning my hairline with alcohol just to remove any natural oils, dirt, buildup. So when I apply the adhesive, it will stay on better and have a way better retention span. Right now, I am just trying to get the clip in the back of the wig underneath my wig cap to just make sure it stays on secured. Okay, so I pushed back the wig because I am about to apply the adhesive. I'm going to do 2 coats of it. I'm not going to put it on right away. I didn't apply it on the sides of my hair because remember, it's a closure. A closure is just the middle. No sides, no edges. You can have some in the front, but it's just the front. You can see I sprayed too much adhesive. It's starting to drip, but yes, I'm going to let it get tacky, so I'm not putting it on the second I apply it. I want it to dry just a little so we can get some tackiness, so it can stay and have a good hold. Okay, finally we're at the part where I am laying down the lace. The glue is tacky. It's laying just perfectly, drying perfectly, making sure all the baby hairs are out of my way. The lace riffles, like it makes a little roll. So what I'm doing, I'm just using the end of my rat tail comb and laying it down flat, applying pressure to have it stick. Okay, so now I am applying the band, and it's going to secure the adhesive for the wig to stay. It's going to stay, hold it in place, extra pressure to make sure it does not lift. Bleaching the knots makes your wig look so much more realistic. It's giving natural. Alright, the wig is secured. It is time to style. This is a close-up of the lace. It's giving melted. Oh, thank you guys for watching.